Nobody's perfect. And then there's me, especially not perfect. I went backpacking 30 days through Europe, and I made a video where I showed everything I was bringing in one bag. I have many regrets. I should not have brought all the things I brought. You wanna know what those regrets are? Keep watching the video. Obviously. Yeah, obviously. I'm gonna start the video now. In a couple days, I'm going backpacking across Europe with just this backpack. In it, I have clothes. Backpack was a good choice. Just get a big backpack. It doesn't, as long as it fits under the airplane seat. I don't know why I'm commenting on that part. A laptop, toiletries, and everything I need. So how did I fit all of it in here? I'll show you. First, I'm gonna talk about what's in my pockets. So that's just gonna be wallet, a notebook that you can get for like 30 cents at Walmart, and I'm probably gonna remove some of these keys. The notebook was a good bring. For some shots I was filming with my phone. I couldn't memorize the script, so I wrote the script on the notepad. Worked great. It has this charger, which you'll see from my travel. Best thing I brought is that charger. You can charge everything anywhere with that thing, and it fits on your keychain. And you hear the ice cream truck outside, it's super loud. Next, on the backpack, this is so unprofessional, which you can put your phone onto, really easy app. That thing, sorry, my language. That thing sucks. Do not buy that phone mount on the strap. It's so uncomfortable, really big. It takes up a lot of space. Not stable, it kind of like it sucks. Do not bring that phone mount. Throw it away. Just put your phone down without having to put it in your pocket. All right. Next, judgment. All of the clothes I'm bringing, they're just in the front pocket. Yeah, so that's actually super smart. If you can fit all your clothes in the front pocket and you have a lot of tech accessories, then you have so much room. Sorry, I'm in a hacker house with like 70 people, so I had to help someone with something. You say military folded everything? So that was a great choice. Military folding, all the clothes. No complaints. I brought exactly the right amount of clothes. I have a sort of mid-sized towel. Great choice. Although, while I was traveling, I met some people who, they have like towels that are way thinner, that are big. Take up less space than this. I'll try to link it in the description, but I would bring a big travel towel rather than this small normal towel. Okay. Long pairs of pants, really, because I'm going to be wearing one of these. Yeah, so basically 4 pairs of pants and shorts, 4 shirts, 4 to 5 socks and underwear. I think it was 5 each of those. All fit in the front pocket. No complaints there. Since that extra room, I might honestly bring... There was no extra room because I brought 4 pairs of everything instead of 3. There wasn't room for that massage gun. I really could have used that massage gun. But the stuff that I would not have brought that I could take out and then replace it with the massage gun. So much walking, so much hiking. And I was so sore. That backpack was 40 pounds of technology mostly. Maybe it wasn't that heavy, but it sure felt like it when you hiked for hours. Okay. Hold a ton because I'm going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to be 8 different cities. So that was a lie. 10 different countries, 15 different cities. I got bored and I traveled to extra countries while I was in Europe. I don't know if I'm going to release those videos. I actually vlogged every day, but I don't know if it fits on this channel. So if you want to see it, comment down below. Public transportation in the airport, you get sore from sitting all the time. You do. So I might bring that with you. I should have brought it. I got 2 pairs of shorts. I got these all just YouTube. Yep. So okay. Clothes. Merch that I got, dressy white button up. That was smart. So to bring one dressy thing, that was smart. Like if you're in Italy or something, you're feeling fancy. But you can also always just buy clothes while you're traveling. Wool, slightly fancy. And a little bit cold. But I'm also gonna bring... There were places where it was really cold, particularly in the north, like the Netherlands and Belgium. It rained a lot. Even if you're traveling to Europe in the summer, bring a jacket or something, please. Main compartment. This is where all the mistakes happen. Thing in here that takes up the most space. Biggest thing in here that takes up the most space. Do I hear myself? Why did I bring this? Travel tripod. No. Spoiler alert. I wanted my videos to look more authentic while traveling, so I filmed a lot on my iPhone. You can fit your iPhone anywhere. Put it on windowsills, little containers that were at random spots, on walls, like off tiny little chips hanging off the wall. On the ground, leaned it against my backpack. I did not need that tripod at all. I think I used it once in the 30 days I was there, and it added so much weight and it was really hard to fit in that main compartment anyways. Do not bring a tripod unless you're gonna use it a lot. Travel minimalism, you don't need it. If you think you need it, bring a mini tripod. Please don't bring. I hate myself for bringing this. I hate myself. Sorry. KF concept. The reason
it's a good tripod
is because this extends up to like 6 feet. Just imagine doing a 10-hour hike without on your back though, and everything else. This MacBook, this is actually a 15-inch from 2015. I'm gonna replace it with the 16-inch. True, I did do that. Here it is. Turns out the 16-inch M1 is the same size as the 15-inch. All right, next we got some travel accessories. So we have our all-in-one. That was perfect. 5 plugins, one of them's USB-C, the rest are USB-A, and you can plug stuff in the top. I use that in my everyday life when I'm not traveling, like at the coffee shop or wherever. Such a good bring. One travel adapter. A lot of this like really useful stuff is gonna be in my 5 travel necessities. Why am I whispering though? The point of that is you can charge anything anywhere in any country. DJI microphone. Yes. DJI mic is the best. Be careful. It's small and I lost a couple pieces. There's so many accessories. So just be careful not to lose things or leave them at the mall in Serbia like I did. PTSD. Definitely the best travel mic I've ever used. SD cards. Yep. In this SD card case right here. I used my phone, so I didn't need those, but they're so small, it's fine. I used my camera a couple times, so it was worth bringing those. External MagSafe battery. Oh my gosh, this external MagSafe battery for my iPhone saved my life so many times. If I didn't have it, I would have to ask a stranger who doesn't speak English to borrow their charger so I could find directions to get back. That was a huge save. Charger that goes on my phone. Regret though, I wish I had an external battery charger that could charge more than like once. I do wish I had that. This toothbrush has a case, but it's like... Toothbrush, obviously bring that.
Next.
Duh.
Probably one of the most important things in here.
Ray-Ban Metas. These saved me in Slovenia when I paraglided over a fairy tale lake. Paid like $50 to get GoPro footage. I vlogged with it. They gave me the micro SD card and I got back to America and it's corrupt. I don't even have the footage, but I have the Ray-Ban Meta footage. I literally wore glasses while flying through the sky. They didn't fall off. I have them on my head right now. They're great. Ah, the Sony A7C camera, which I barely used. Worth bringing if you're gonna shoot with a camera. I use my iPhone almost the entire time, so if I could see in the future back then, I would not have brought the tripod or the camera or the extra lens.
3-in-1.
So those are extendable chargers with all 3 types on the end. Use those on the plane. I use them everywhere, and they're great because you can make the length small so they're not in the way. Like on a plane, you don't want a giant wire dangling everywhere. Great. External batteries for camera. Another camera accessory I didn't need because I didn't use my camera almost at all. Oh, sleep mask headphones. I use these almost every single night. Put like sleep meditation on. Oh my gosh, it's changed everything. It's falling now. That's a read frame to pause on. It's incredible. The plane was also great.
Headphones. In case I
yes,
want to plug
those
them
headphones
in.
were great for my MacBook. I didn't like disconnecting my AirPods from my phone and then connecting them to the MacBook is like annoying. So plug-in headphones were great. And for the airplane, obviously.
Right here. Good to have full-on
iPhone charger was good because that's a fast charger. That was great. Phone mount I didn't use at all. I would have used it if I brought a mini tripod instead of a full tripod, which I should have done.
A razor to shave.
Yeah, razor was great. Cleaning cloth for glasses also great.
It's called the Life Pack. I got another pen. I forgot one thing.
Yeah, don't bring that, Steven. That was a bad idea. You didn't use your camera. All right, we're back, baby. Some couple last notes here of my biggest regrets. I should not have brought that tripod, especially. Even if I used my camera, I still wouldn't have brought that tripod. I should have brought a mini tripod for sure. The extra space, I really should have brought that massage gun. If you're traveling, long play rides, sitting down on buses for a long time, hiking up mountains, carrying a backpack everywhere you go that has a lot of heavy things in it, bring a freaking massage gun. Do it. It is the best decision you'll make in your entire life, second to traveling in the first place. Thanks so much for watching the video. Now you know my biggest regrets for my minimalist 30 days in Europe adventure. Let me know in the comments if you actually want to see all the daily vlogs from that. It's insane. I just don't know if it belongs on this channel or not because this is turning into like a tech review channel. Throw some shade in the comments. Peace.